Hi everyone, welcome back to the nodejs tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about route parameters. Route parameters are named URL segments that are used to capture the value specified their position in the URL. The captured values are populated in the request.params object, okay, with the name of the route parameter as specified in the path as their respective keys. So let's see how can we use the route parameter. So go to the project and inside the index.js file, just click on index.js file. Let's create a route. So here just press enter and just write here app.get and let's say URL path is slash users and here pass the parameter. So just write here colon and let's say parameter name is username. Okay, then callback function. So just write here and this callback function just pass here the request and response. Okay, all right. Inside this callback function, just create a user object. So just write here where users is equal to create two users. So let's say first user1 and inside the user1 just pass here the name. Let's say name is Jennifer. All right, then age let's say age is 25 and sex is female. Okay, now create another another user2 and inside user2 just pass here the name. Let's say name is John. All right, age 28, sex male. All right, now save the file and now let's return here. Just return here response.render and let's say render name is a user. Okay, I just pass here the users object. So inside the objects just write here users user colon users and inside the users just pass here the requested parameter. So just type your req request dot params dot username. All right, now let's create a view. So go to the views folder and just right click and click on new file and file name user.ejs. Okay, here just copy the text from the let's say about, just copy all the text and paste inside the users.js. Okay, not copy and paste. Okay, now change the title here. So user and heading let's say users detail. Okay, now inside here just print the information of user. So just write here inside the tag angle bracket percent sign, angle bracket close, and just write here user dot name. Okay, just copy this line and paste it 2 times. Okay, just write here age and here sex. All right, now save the file and let's run it. So go to the command prompt and just run the index.js file. So just write here node space index.js, press enter. Now it's running on localhost 3000. So go to the browser and just write here localhost 3000 slash user slash, let's say, user1. What is the URI? Let's check. Go to the index.js file. Okay, users. So just type here users. Alright, now press enter. You can see here user details, name Jennifer, age 25 and sex female. If I change the user with user 2, you can see here the user details of second user, which is John, age 28 and sex male. Right? So in this way you can use route parameter. So that's all about route parameter. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.